Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art.
Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cute donut, and I'm going to show you step by step how to sketch them and how to color them. And for that what you need a pencil, eraser, paper and your watercolor and brushes. So let's get started with our cute donut.
Okay, so first I'm gonna take my paper, it's horizontally, and then I'm gonna make a circle in the middle. So donuts are circle, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a big circle all around inside the paper. And if you do not know how to make a circle, please make you can watch the other video where I have shown you how to make a circle. Anyone can make a circle. Okay, so you can just watch that video, and you can, after that you can try the donut. Okay, there we go. Beautiful, very nice. Okay, so I'm done with my outer part of the circle, and now I'm gonna do my inside circle. There's two circles for the donut, right? So I'm gonna make my another circle here. Very nice. So you made two circles. There's going to be a lot of circle over here. Very nice. Good job, guys. And now we'll make two cute eyes over here. And for the eyes, what I'm doing here, there is an oval shape. So you can make an oval shape here. One on the left side and another on the right side. Make sure they're in the same height, so you can make another one over here. I know a lot of people find making circle difficulties, so yeah, you can just watch that video. That's really easy way I have shown that how you can make circle. Actually anyone can make circle. All right, very good. Now what I'm doing here, I'm making another curved line here, which is, so my donut is kind of looking down because something is going to happen over here. So it's actually looking down at the corner of the paper. So someone just had a bite over here. So we make one curved line, one bigger curved line, another bigger curved line, and a small curved line. So we had four curved lines: smaller, bigger, bigger, and smaller. Very good. Okay, now what we'll do here, we'll make inside the eyes, I'm making another circle. It's scared, but it's cute, right? And whole of chocolate on top of donuts, everyone, right? So we'll make some drips over here. I'm making a line down, make a U-turn, go up, again down, go up, and stop here. Okay, and then again we'll start from this side. Great, we'll start from here. Big drip here, medium drip here, and a smaller drip over here, which will connect all the way to this side. Okay, so we're done with our sketching, and if you have some extra line, you can erase that, which you don't need it. So we're done with that. Now we'll take our Sharpie, or you can take your regular markers, whatever you have it. So you can take that and we'll trace all the lines we just did over here. So now I took my Sharpie and then I'm tracing the line. Make sure you go slow and trace only the perfect circle line. Okay, do not trace all of them over here. Okay, so try to trace the perfect one, which is the best for you. There we go. Now I'm gonna trace the eyes here, make the oval shape. So I'm done tracing over here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to color inside the eyes, only inside this medium circle. Okay, so you go color inside this part, and after we're done tracing all the lines and coloring, we'll take our eraser and erase the extra line. But for that, just wait for a few seconds. Make sure your markers and or Sharpies, everything is dry before you use your eraser.
Also guys, if you were interested taking my personal lesson, definitely go visit my website. I put it in the description. So I teach a lot of different mediums: oil pastel, watercolor, color pencil, acrylic, pencil sketch. So if you're interested any of them, please do contact me from there.
All right, so we're done with the erasing part, and now we will do coloring. So for that, whatever color we need is we'll do the chocolate area. This part will be the chocolate. So I'm gonna use my brown for this area, and I'm gonna use some sprinkles over here. I'm gonna use blue, red, orange, and yellow. I don't want to draw the sprinkle. We're gonna do it directly over there. Okay, so let's get started with our coloring. So first I took my brown and I'm gonna color over here this bottom part. Make sure you start all the way from the left and then come over here. Go slow, make sure don't go inside the lines. Be a little careful. Yeah, you can use your dark brown or light brown, anything is fine because it's just a chocolate color. So if you like dark chocolate, use dark brown. If you do not like dark chocolate, you can use the light brown, okay? And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, definitely go and subscribe to the channel because so you don't miss any videos which I upload pretty much every week. And yeah, so please do subscribe it. Do this part a little carefully so you can take your color because there's a lot of tiny small gaps all around here. So go a little carefully. Great, very nice. That's all. We're done with our bottom chocolate part. Okay, now I'm gonna take my orange and do the sprinkle. For the sprinkle, what I'm doing, I took a very small brush, okay? This is a very tiny thin brush, and I'm gonna take my color and just make line. Just go one time and make the line. And you can do different direction, this line. Very nice. You can add, if you're adding 4 or 5 color, make sure you don't add no more than 7 or 8 of them. So I am done with my orange. Now I'm gonna take my red. So I'm gonna add the red, a couple of them. Try to make them a little skinnier. A couple of them you can make a little thicker. Just one time, take it off. One time, take it off. Very good. Now I'm gonna use my yellow over here. It looks already very pretty. I just wanted to eat this one. Okay, so we are almost done. Now, if you wanted to add some extra wow factor, what you can do here, we can make another curvy line inside. That's just a little bit more wow factor. So you make another curvy line and come half of the way, okay? Do not come all the way around. Just come half of the way and finish your line here. You do take your Sharpie and then trace this line here. This one you don't need to erase it because it's already, we'll color it with the brown, so we don't need to erase it. Now take your same brown you just used over all around this area and then color over here. So please let me know how you like this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next episode. Bye bye. You guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.